Yes guys, welcome to the very first episode on the Property Circle YouTube channel. In this episode we're going to be going through a very exciting new project that one of our members is currently going through. David joined the Property Circle 3 weeks ago now, and together we helped him find his first investment property, which we're on our way to now, and I can't wait for you guys to check this one out. Yes guys, so this is David's house, his brand new purchase, and like I said earlier, it is unbelievable, but just wait until you see the inside. So yeah guys, what an amazing deal this house is. But just to break it down for you so you've got an idea of the numbers, we've got a £90,000 purchase price. It's going to cost roughly £20,000 for the refurb with an end value of £140,000, leaving us with £30,000 worth of profit. But what do you guys think? So it's been about 3 weeks, maybe just under, since we were last here at David's house, and straight off the bat you can see there's been quite a lot of work doing to it. So we will go straight inside and have a look at the place. From the get-go, as soon as you walk in, if you can remember guys, there used to be a wall here, and so they've taken this out completely, which as you can see just opens up the house completely, so looks completely different to what it used to. First reception room, yeah. You can see there's a lot of work that's been done in this room alone. So it's a back to brick refurb throughout the entire house. You can see here that the chimney breast has been taken out first thing, and it's added so much more space to the house. It's the same in that room as well, so you'll see that in a second shortly. But compared to what this used to look like last time, it's made such a difference. Carpets have been taken out, obviously chimney breast has been taken out. Next thing we're gonna do is obviously strip the wallpaper. Obviously you can see these massive bay windows letting in loads of sunlight, so if obviously you've got those nice white, fresh finish, it just makes it look completely different and a lot brighter, a lot whiter, which is always good. So going into that second reception room then, if you think that one looks completely different, this is a joke. So obviously you can tell straight away, there's no wall anymore. So this is gonna be all open plan, kitchen diner. It's gonna look stunning. So in that after video, honestly, it's gonna look amazing. We've taken the chimney breast out. So like I said, with the space and with the size of it now, compared to what it was before, it just makes such a difference. And it's gonna make a lot of a difference when it comes to getting that valuation, which obviously we wanna try and get as high as possible. So it's not even been a week yet. It's not even been 7 days, and they've done so much. They've completely changed the first reception room, second reception room. You're gonna see the garden in a second. What they've done to the garden is nuts. And then upstairs, they've started ripping out the wallpaper and stripping the wallpaper there. So yeah, moving into the garden. There used to be a tree there. I don't know if you can remember from the last video, but there was actually a tree. I'll go and stand there now. Was it here? Was the tree here? I think the tree was here. And now it's no tree. They've completely took the tree out. And the roots, I'm not even joking, right? The roots came up to about here. How they managed to get it out is beyond me. So credit where credit's due to Mark and his team. Mark's the builder, by the way. So yeah, they've done an amazing job so far. So 6 days in, completely changed the house. So moving back on in, let's have a look upstairs. Because again, oh man, the difference here is just to put it into perspective, those 6 days, for what's been done. Today, what they're working on is just stripping out all the wallpaper. For appears, that's why there's loads of this around. So you can see it's a big job, but in the time scale that they've done it for is amazing. So what you'll probably notice is the fact that the chimney breast is still up in here. Reason being is because it's a bit too expensive. So the budget's gonna go a little bit too over. Otherwise, we wanna try and stick to a smaller budget. So the plan instead is to basically just create wardrobes going right the way across. So if you guys are struggling with any projects that you've got going on, you're not too sure what to do with that to stick to a budget, definitely just put wardrobes going across the front. You'll see that again in the after video. So moving on into this next bedroom. So just stripped all the wallpaper, got rid of all the carpets, and yeah, it just looks completely different. I'm definitely excited for the second video to be out. So let's have a look at the bathroom. It's all right. So you can see it's a bit difficult to get on camera because of the size, but with like 2 people in here. So if I just stay in here now, you can just see it is a massive bathroom. So what the plan is with this, as far as I can remember, is they're gonna have a sink here. They're gonna have a bath going across here, I think, and then a toilet over there. But yeah, it's gonna look amazing. They've not started anything in here just yet. It's the main of the rest of the house they're just getting rid of at the minute. So there's one more bedroom that we're gonna go and have a look at. This is the box bedroom, the smallest bedroom obviously in the house. So it's not gonna take too long to do this, but still, again, just the amount of stuff that they've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rooms, and the garden has just been completely stripped and started again in literally 6 days. And so if we head on back downstairs, oh, watch your head. So if you wanna go away now, just gonna put the kettle on and see. Oh, that's Stephen. So if you want to see what Stephen looks like, if anybody wants a lamp, £500.